Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So we had over 200% breakout in the Instables room with ISIG. I'm going to go over exactly how this one played out today. What exact levels are we trying to hold above to contain this momentum? Which indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation from here? And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 5-minute chart with you guys here on ISIG so you guys can see exactly how today played out. Then I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. But I do want to mention before we get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. Again, we did mention ISIG from pre-market news at $5.80, jumping up over $16, going to extended hours, almost 200% on that breakout. And we also did mention the volume spike today on CPIX at $5.55, jumping up to $7.40 on the day, over 40% on that breakout. And we also did mention BYNE from pre-market news at 85 cents, jumping up to $1.30 on the day, over 40% on that breakout. So if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart again, we did mention them at $5.80, and we did have this spike in pre-market. And as you guys can see, we did come back down into open as the market did pull out the gate. But as you guys can see, the market did actually bounce back. I'm going to go back to SPY so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. As you guys can see here on SPY today, we actually came right out the gate and we did pull. And as you guys can see, we actually did push and we broke into new highs. And as soon as that did happen, as you guys can see here on ISIG, we did have this spike and we did respect the 200-day average and we bounced right off of it. Now, as you guys can see, again, we did have this major spike and we were consolidating at this point in time. As you guys can see, we had major spikes. We continued to break continue highs, but sure enough, did not have major breakouts as we did previously and broke continue highs. So again, looking a little more consolidated at this point. And as you guys can see, right before going to extended hours, we had this large green candle come in, looking to see if we can break continue highs and possibly break out of this consolidation to the upside. But however, there was 100K shares sold exactly on this green candle. And as soon as that did happen, as you guys can see, we did get a pullback going to extended hours, looking to see if we can hold the 200-day average over the 50 going to tomorrow is exactly what we're looking for. Now, if we can hold the 20 over the 50 here, then in my opinion, we could have a continuation. In my opinion, with the market and the way it has been, looking for continuations from the major breakouts from the day before, we will keep ISIG on the watch. Again, if you guys do not remember, we mentioned CPIX last Monday on FDA news, and we had a continuation going to today with CPIX on no news, but however, had amazing news last Monday, so had a continuation. Going to make sure we do keep this one on the watch, just like we kept CPIX on the watch. Now, jumping back to the 4-hour chart real quick with you guys, as you guys can see, we had a previous rejection here at 1691, and we are looking to see if we can break over 17 as a previous psychological resistance. As you guys can see, we got rejected today at about 1628, getting rejected on this wick of the previous candle that we had. So looking to see if we can break above our previous wick is exactly what we're looking for here. So I would be looking to see if we can break over 17 going to tomorrow. If we can hold over 17 going to pre-market and we had a major spike, then I would be definitely looking for a continuation at that point in time. Now, if we do continue on down, I will be looking for a bounce here, and exactly where that bounce would be, as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart. Again, as you guys can see, we got our confirmation on this continuation at about 750, and as you guys can see, we have our wicks to the upside. We also had a major bounce previously here at about exactly 750. So if we do continue on down, I will be looking for a bounce here at 750. And again, this is not financial advice, this is not a recommendation, but however, that is exactly what I'll be playing into if we do come on down to 750, if we do not continue to break out over $17 here on ISIG. And again, with that said, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, I know the market has been very choppy. Most breakouts have been pre-market news into open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, everybody that has been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over from the channel and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.